What's up guys, it's Radek here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing super well. In today's video, I'm gonna share a universal method to overcome any plateau that you will encounter in your language learning journey. I've used this method myself many times and it has never failed me. And this is gonna be actually the most important video I've made so far. Maybe equally important as my win list video. So guys, buckle up and let's get right into it. Whenever I feel stuck and I feel that my English is not getting better, whenever I feel that my progress is not fast enough, or whenever I feel that I want to challenge myself more and take my English to the next level, I ask myself one question. What's the one thing that I'm afraid of the most? And guys, I found out that usually the answer to this question is the exact thing that I should do or start doing. And I know that it sounds so simple, and it is simple, but it's not easy at all whatsoever. Because now, once you've answered this question, you know exactly what you should start doing. And this is not easy because you have to step outside of your comfort zone and maybe start doing something you have been putting off for a long time. So yeah, and you have to do this, otherwise nothing will change. You won't see any progress and you won't better your English unless you take the action, unless you start doing that thing that you're the most afraid of, because that's something like that we tend to avoid, right? When something is uncomfortable, when we are afraid of something, we tend to avoid doing it. And answering this question gives us the exact thing that we need to start doing in order to take our English to the next level. And guys, I know this from my own experience, because when I first asked myself this question in November of 2021, my answer at that time was the thing that I was the most afraid of was to have a conversation in English, a one-on-one conversation in English. So what I did was I just booked a lesson with a tutor. And yeah, it was actually a native English speaker. And let me tell you something, I was petrified before that lesson and I was drenched with sweat. My hands were shaking and I didn't know if I would be able to say a word during that conversation. But guys, that was one of the best decisions I have ever made and I don't regret that at all. And I'll tell you more, when that conversation was over, I was incredibly proud of myself and I realized that there was actually nothing to be afraid of. Another time when I asked myself this question was at the end of last year. And the thing that I was the most afraid of at that time was to start a YouTube channel. I really wanted to do it, but I was really afraid of this. So what I did, I actually started this YouTube channel in January. And if I hadn't asked myself this question, I probably wouldn't have done it at all. And the last thing I'll say here is, whatever your answer to this question will be, you will probably not feel ready or prepared for doing it. And that's okay. Life is about stepping into things we are not ready or prepared for. Do you think I felt ready to have that first conversation in English? Hell no. But I did it. And as I told you, that was one of the best decisions I have ever made. Sometimes we just need to throw ourselves in at the deep end to realize that what we were so afraid of is actually not that scary and that we are capable of way more than we thought. So please, don't wait until you feel 100% ready to do something, because the truth is, you never will. Okay guys, that's all in this video. So what I want you to do is just ask yourself this question and be brutally honest about it. And then just start doing what you are the most afraid of. And you can write a comment down below what that thing is. And maybe you'll be able to find someone who struggles with the same thing and you'll be able to connect and help each other. Because in the end, we all have the same goal, to become incredible and confident English speakers. So that's it in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the likes, all the comments. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Guys, I can't wait for you to watch this video, because I know that if you take what I've said here to heart and if you put it into practice, you're gonna see incredible progress. If you're still watching this video, please do me a favor and write down in the comments who doesn't like ice cream. And that way we'll know how many people actually watched this video up to the very end. Thank you so much.